So we're on the Izu Peninsula, and we're hiking, and Robin's like, oh, let's stop at the shrine, and I love shrines. I want to get my Goshuin signed. And he's like, it's just a few stairs. Look at that. Are you kidding me? We were like, we've already climbed maybe 50. What's 3,000 more? I don't think there is a top.
There's a top.
I don't believe you. If I die, if you're watching this, guys, it means I've died. Probably. And if I've died, just, I don't know, take care of our cat, I guess. This is like 4,000 stairs.
There goes a spider.
Oh, mamma mia. What were you saying about the way downhill? Or down?
Down bad.
What?
You're down bad.
No. They said at least it's all downhill, and I'm like, what good does that do me? Am I gonna just roll? Oh my god. Why does this feel like it's been forever? Where are we?
Halfway there.
We're 2/3 of the way up. It's very beautiful. How are you feeling, my love?
Tired.
Same. But came across a really cool shrine. It's not open. There go, my Goshuin will not be signed. But look. Climbed all these stairs. Terrifying. Now I'm worried about how we're gonna get back down. I'm thinking if I just tuck and roll at the right angle. Or we could slide down the pole. Perfect. Problem solved. Tell me the plan if we run into a boar.
Behind something sturdy.
Here's something sturdy. Haha. 7 hours later. It's beautiful.
Oh, it's only been like 10 minutes.
There's the ocean. He lies. Don't listen to him. We are almost to the summit of, what is this called? Mount Eboshiyama. Here's the third shrine at the top, and it is closed. No Goshuin for us, but it's a thought that counts, I think, right? So, look at that. Just a few more steps. We're almost there. That's my knee cracking, in case anybody can hear that. I am in physical therapy. Oh! So pretty. Oops, that's a spider. And that's an even bigger spider. Okay, minding my own business. Let's go. What's up here? These are the steepest stairs I've ever climbed in my entire life. Oh my god. Ah. Let me just crawl, emerge. Whoa! Holy shit. What? Okay, this is so worth it.